It's fall here in Maine, and we've brought the Kilo back in a new, bigger, better, and bolder way. When you think about Origin and you think about the durability and the construction of the product and these folks behind me, how they're making things with the seams and the thread weights and the stitching, it's all really overbuilt. And I was thinking about this Kilo hoodie and the new developments on it. And really, this thing is built for the trenches. One of our core values here at Origin is what we call continuous improvement. Things can always get better. And the Kilo hoodie is something we spent a lot of time on. After our first launch, we wanted to make some changes. We wanted a more universal fit, a more American style fit. And that's what we worked on for months and months and months. After we got this thing together, we wanted to look at the construction details. Okay, it fits great, but how do we make it really, really durable? Well, we're gonna use more thread, not because more thread makes it stronger, but the way you use the thread and the stitch types, the way you bring the seams together and reinforce everything. So when you're putting your hands in your pockets 100,000 times, you're not gonna rip the seams. You're not gonna fray the fabric. It's just really durable. It's overbuilt. It's built for life. Making a great hoodie starts first with the fabric. Of course, the best American grown cotton is where we started. And then we knitted into two fabrics. One is a fleece, which on the backside is finished so it can go right against the skin if you want. That's how I like to wear it. And then a rib knit, and a rib knit stretches in one direction. And you normally would see a rib knit on the bottom of the cuff and the wrist cuffs. We also included a rib knit in the sides for mobility. And the way that all the seams come together is really ergonomic. And it's not just a simple stitch, it's actually finished with a double needle top stitch and securing all those panels together. So it's built to last a lifetime. And what we like to say here at Origin is, we hope you wear it out. We promise it'll never fail you. 11-ounce ultra soft ring spun fleece for comfort, the front pass-through kangaroo pocket for warmth, and a two-piece double-faced hood for heat retention and wind barrier. Of course, this thing is pre-shrunk and it's an out-of-the-box fit, so it's gonna fit the same way every time you pull it out of the dryer. It's durable for all seasons and all working conditions, and this year it's gonna be available in carbon and OD green paneling, a foxtrot, navy blue, and OD green. This is the Kilo hoodie by Origin. This is America. Dirt to shirt, field to finish, fiber to fabric, built by freedom.